Bone up on, breaking it down. Hey learners! Have you ever come across the phrase, bone up on, and wondered what it meant? Today, we'll dive deep into this intriguing English idiom, unpacking its meaning and usage. Stay with us. You might be wondering, why bones? The phrase, bone up on, is believed to have originated from the practice of students in the 19th century reading books to the bone, meaning very thoroughly. Over time, this gave rise to the phrase, boning up, which meant studying something in depth. When someone says they need to bone up on something, they mean they need to study or review a subject in detail, especially in preparation for something. It's similar to saying, I need to refresh my memory, or I need to get familiar with this. Examples: before the interview, I need to bone up on the company's history. If you're going to Italy, you might want to bone up on some basic Italian phrases. Understanding synonyms can help reinforce the meaning of bone up on. Some synonyms include study intensively, review, brush up on, refresh one's memory. One common mistake people make is using bone up on to mean simply learning something new. While it can be used in that context, the phrase often implies reviewing or revisiting something one has learned before. Incorrect. I need to bone up on how to ride a bike. Correct. I need to bone up on the traffic rules before my driving test. And there you have it. Now, the next time you hear or see the phrase, bone up on, you'll know exactly what it means. We hope this breakdown helps you enrich your English vocabulary. Remember, language is all about context, so always stay curious and keep learning. Until next time, happy studying!